Hi, it's Mark Homan from Paul's Photo, the lab at Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy. Welcome to day 244 of our Be Creative series. And I felt a little Star Warsy tonight. So I built a little scene. So what have I got? I've got a fruit cake. First fruit cake we received of the year, by the way. I have a little red LED flashlight, a cheese grater, and two of my Lytra Pro lights. So this one I have with the barn doors on, lighting the flashlight. You notice the flashlight is turned on, so you get a little bit of light at the top. So this one is set to the 3200 degree Kelvin setting, so it's a little oranger. You can see the cheese grater turned around, so I've got this, and I don't know what these little holes are always for in a cheese grater, but that's what I've got as my background, with a Lytra Pro in the bottom, with the blue filter on it at about half power. This is at about a third power, and that's giving us the light. And let's take a look what this looks like through the lens. And when I set this up, this is exactly what I had in mind. So come take a look, right? So you see the spaceship with the field of stars behind it. That's what I was trying to create. Didn't look like that. You know, someone says it looks like a rook, it looks like, you know, a lightsaber, but I think it's a cool shot anyway. So you can see we're at f5, ISO 400, gives us a 25th of a second. I'm going to touch for focus and shoot, and look at that. It's a beautiful picture. It's a nice product shot. If I was the owner of the flashlight company, I would use this. I'm going to check the exposure here by going to playback. Looking at the histogram, I have a nice histogram there. And I think this is going to be a beautiful shot. In color, we've got the 105 millimeter lens with the ProMaster macro slider on the Gitzo tripod so I can move in and out just to get it framed right. If you notice carefully, the camera is cocked at an angle. That's what gives us the angle and the dynamics of the shot. I couldn't stand the flashlight. The flashlight has to stand straight up. So I turned the camera. You notice you've got the circle of light in the cheese grater in the background, so it's got like a blue spotlight on it. I think it's a pretty cool shot for something that I just made up tonight. I had an inspiration, went around the house, gathered a few things. Being creative. What are you going to do that's creative today? What are you going to show us? What are you going to put together that's fun? Get out your macro lens and get close to something and try it. Because that's what Be Creative's all about. Today's Thursday. We had a great day today. Tomorrow's Friday. It'll be even more special. And let's see what we do tomorrow. I can't wait to see your pictures. Share them, and we'll get all the pictures out there together and enjoy them. And maybe we'll have a cocktail tomorrow night and talk about it. Mark Coman from Paul's Photo, the lab at Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy, wishing you great fun, great photography, and have some fun taking pictures.